Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another slick down on my 4C natural hair. So this is actually the second time I am doing a slick down on my hair. So I'm just taking down this cornrow I've had on my hair for 2 weeks, and I made a video on this hair, which if you haven't watched it, I'll be linking it on this video. So if you cannot do your cornrows, you just go ahead to watch it. So after that, I'm just spraying water on my natural hair to actually make it soft, because I don't want to put any heat on the hair. So for this slick down, I'm going to be patting it to the side. I'm just using edge control at the edges of my natural hair because I have a very short hair in front, so just to put them together. And I'm going in with this eco styling gel. So what I observed while using this particular eco styling gel is that if you have a very thick 4C natural hair, it's best to use the eco styling gel that has the green lead, not the brown lead, because this one I used that had the brown lead, I really struggled with it. So because of my thick hair that I didn't use any heat, I was just going in sections. So I'll cut a little part of the hair, and then I'll spray water and apply the gel. So that's basically what I did until I was done. Guys, this is actually the second time I'm doing a slick down on my 4C natural hair. So I have a video which I did the halo braids, and I'll be linking it here, so in case you want to go ahead to watch that. And with that particular video, or when I say that particular hair, I actually used the eco styling gel that had the green lead, so that's why I could be able to like differentiate which is which and which worked better for me. So guys, let's go over the process again. You want to cut your hair in small sections, spray water, and then you apply the gel, especially if you have a thick natural hair like mine. And then I'm going to be using the Got to Be Free spray just to keep everything intact, and then I'm going to be wrapping my head using this scarf. So for the ponytail, I'm going to be using this braiding hair, and then I'm going to just moisturize the hair to give it like a little shine, and I'm going to add it all up together using this band, because this is what I'm going to put at the top of my natural hair. And then I'm going to be patting the hair into 3, and then I will braid it down. So at first when I was braiding it, I didn't want to have like the regular slim tip, so I had to curl the ends. And first off, I tried using this other rollers, but it wasn't just working for me, so I had to go ahead to use the bended rollers. Then after doing this, I had to put the hair in hot water. So the hair wasn't so dry, but I just had to still go ahead to attach the ponytail on my natural hair, and I'm just going to wrap it round, then use bobby pins to secure it down. Then I'm going to go in with extra braiding hair just to wrap around the tip of the ponytail. One tip I will give if you're doing a slick down on your hair is that you should let it dry, because I was struggling through with it because I didn't let mine dry. Thank you all so much for watching, and bye.